Welcome to the RCM Level 2 playback videos. This is example weekly test number 5. We are in the key of D minor. We have a 4/4 time signature. The example is 2 measures in length. And we have a D minor triad. Go ahead and play that with me. I will play the example 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Go ahead and play that back. Okay, the answer can be found on page 48 of RCM's 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.